Hi everyone, myself Rekha, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. So today we are going to discuss about the topic critical path method and PERT. So some of the definitions and problems we are going to discuss in the resource management technique. So before going to the problem, and we are going to say what is meant by critical path and definitions. So critical path is nothing but longest path in the project network diagram. So we have to connect this is from the start node to the finish node, and it represents the minimum time required to complete the entire project. So we have the some of the activities, and it is a delay whole project. The concept is used in the project management also. And so already I have mentioned that the critical path is nothing but a longest duration, and this definition is nothing but start node to the finish node. It represents the minimum time required to complete the entire project. And let us take a simple project in this critical path method. So consider a simple project with the following activities. Activity A, B, C, D, E. Producer A, B, C. Duration 3, 4, 2, 5, 6. And we have the possible paths we are going to connect using the critical path. The path we are mentioned it as A to B, B to D. And if you find the duration of the days means 3 to 4 plus 5, that is 12 days. If it is a second part means A to C to E, duration of the days is 3 plus 2 plus 6, totally 11 days. So there are the two paths, the possible paths, but critical path we have to take it as a longest duration. Ashwin, Ashwin. So now we are going to determine the longest path. Here the longest path 1 is nothing but 12 days. Path 2 is nothing but 11 days. Since 12 days is longer, so the critical path A to B to D, we are concluding this. It is and project duration is 12 days. And the important points is nothing but critical path determine the minimum completion time. Activities on this, it is a zero slack, and delay in any critical activity, that is project delay. Non-critical activity has a positive fruits. So now we are going to define what is mean by event and activity. So event is nothing but an point in time that represents the start or completion of one or more activity in a project, and it does not require resources and it does not consume in time. An event simply indicates something what happened if the activity of a foundation work is completed, then the completion point is an event. Next, what is mean by activity? Activity is nothing but is a task or work that must be performed to complete a project. It consumes time, it may require resources, it represents arrow in a network diagram, and it takes the 5 days in a activity. And now we are going to find the number of next topic is PERT. PERT is nothing but program evaluation technique. So in the PERT we have the three time estimate. One is optimistic time estimate, most likely time, pessimistic time. Optimistic time means minimum possible time required to complete an activity. Most likely time is nothing but the normal or most probably time required under usual work condition. Pessimistic time is nothing but maximum possible time required, and based on the three activity we are going to complete the project. And this project is nothing but we are calculated using this project. Some of the formulas involved here, that is T naught equal to T naught plus 4Tm plus Tp by 6. So this helps us to find the time estimate. Next formula is nothing but an early start based on the earliest finish. So that is represented as ES equal to EI, and EIJ we can occur, it is an early start is equal to the earliest occurrence time of the starting event. And latest finish is nothing but an earliest finish is nothing but ES plus TIJ. So EF can be calculated as EI plus TIJ. So note that is nothing but forward pass, we have to take the maximum value, and we have to add EI plus TIJ, whereas in the latest finish we have to find the minus Tij, and LF is Lij, we have to take the minimum value. So that is formula is nothing but latest occurrence time of the event and latest occurrence time of the starting point here mentioned. and next we can calculate the backward pass in this. So based on that, basic definitions are also involved in the in this equation. So once again I will recall the forward pass and backward pass. So I think it will be useful formula for you in the critical path method. Thank you. Next again remaining formulas also we are going to discuss here. So thank you.